Running a trucking company is like playing multiple games of chess at once. Your moves must be planned ahead of time, challenges must be anticipated. When you try to scale your operation, you're multiplying the amount of games you're playing, and the more games you play, the higher the risks. This is where using spreadsheets to manage your operation fails you. Your documents are disorganized and hard to share. Loads get off track, drivers get grumpy. You're losing the game. But you know who always wins at chess? Computers. A good TMS is like a computer expertly making moves for you. It integrates the software you need from load pickup to payment, predicts and alerts the team when loads are in trouble, and ensures your customers are happy so your company can grow. Why work so hard when our TMS will do the work for you? Win the game with Alvys.